Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your EastWest Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search EastWest Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.eastwestbank.com/login. It will then take you to the official website of EastWest Bank. There on the right side of the page, enter your username, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your EastWest Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you are new to EastWest Bank, you can sign up a new account by clicking to Enroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.